Hey everyone, it's your girl AV and we are back with another tutorial. I used to love playing dominoes as a child and now I'm teaming up with ETI to create these adorable ones using resin. Let's get into it. For your materials, all you need is your Envirotex Light Kit, which comes with hardener and resin, gloves of course, silicone cups to mix in, a stirrer, a dominoes mold, paint, and ETI's Castin Craft for the razzle dazzle. First, you're going to pour equal parts hardener and resin into silicone cups, stir for exactly 2 minutes, then combine into a larger silicone cup and stir for an additional minute. Now, this is the fun part. I'm using ETI's Castin Craft to add transparent dye and opaque pigment to add the razzle dazzle to my resin. Then I'm going to add it to my domino mold. Once my domino mold is completely decorated, I'm going to let it set overnight and then unmold my dominoes. Oh my gosh, this is so gorgeous. It cures in 72 hours, but because I took it out after 24, I can do things like clean it up with my craft knife. Initially, I was going to use a paint pen, but that was not working for me, so I just got some acrylic paint and a paintbrush and added the details of my dominoes, and voila, I am ready to play. Special shout out to ETI for sponsoring this video. I want to thank you all for watching, and I'll catch you later. Bye!